Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Ethereum using Cash App, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase ETH through this popular mobile payment platform. Step 1. Download the Cash App from your device's official app store and create an account. Link your bank account or debit card to enable transactions. Step 2. Complete the identity verification process by providing your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 3. Tap the Investing tab at the bottom of the Cash App home screen, then select the Crypto section to access cryptocurrency features. Step 4. Search for Ethereum or scroll through the available cryptocurrencies to find ETH. Tap on Ethereum to view its current price and recent price movements. Step 5. Tap the Buy button and enter the dollar amount you want to invest in Ethereum. Cash App shows how much ETH you'll receive for your investment. Step 6. Review the transaction details, including any fees and the total amount that will be debited from your Cash App balance or linked payment method. Step 7. Confirm the purchase by tapping Confirm or using biometric authentication. Your Ethereum will appear instantly in your Cash App portfolio. Note that Cash App has withdrawal limits and charges fees for selling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.